In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create flashcards in Trello. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right in. First, we need to set up your study board. So, the very first step is to open Trello and create a new board dedicated to your subject. You could name it something like Biology Flashcards or Language Learning, whatever fits your needs best. This board will serve as your main hub for studying. Once you have your board ready, it's time to create some stage lists. You'll want to set up 3 lists: to study, reviewing, and mastered. These lists will help you track your progress as you learn. The to study list is where all your new cards will go. The reviewing list is for the flashcards you've gone through once and are ready to revisit, while the mastered list is where you move cards once you've really got the material down. Having these different stages will visually guide you through your learning process and keep things organized. Now let's create your flashcards. Start by adding your first question. In the To Study list, click on Add a Card and type in your question or term as the card title. This should be something that you want to remember or test yourself on. After you've done that, click on the card to open it, and now we're going to add the answer. In the description field, type in a detailed answer or explanation. This is where you can elaborate on the question and include anything else that might help solidify your understanding, such as examples or additional notes. To boost your studying even more, you can enhance your flashcards with visuals. On the right side of the card, you'll see an attachment button. Use this to add relevant images, diagrams, or maps that can aid in your visual memory. This is particularly helpful if you're a visual learner or if the subject matter lends itself well to visual aids. If you want to make your flashcards even more interactive, consider using checklists. For example, if you're practicing multiple choice questions, you can add a checklist directly to the card. List different answer options and use checkboxes to mark the correct ones. This can make it easier to quiz yourself as you're learning. Next up, let's talk about organization. It's crucial to be able to categorize your flashcards effectively so that you can find and study them with ease. One great way to do this is by applying labels to your cards. Trello allows you to create color-coded labels, which can be a fantastic organizational tool. For instance, you might want to categorize your cards by difficulty: red for hard, yellow for medium, and green for easy. You can also use different colors for different subjects. So if you're studying math, history, or science, each subject could have its own unique color. This color coding not only keeps things tidy, but also gives you a quick visual way to gauge your focus areas. By following these steps, you'll have a highly functional and organized set of study flashcards right in Trello, making your study sessions more effective and enjoyable. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Happy studying!